Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to scrape product information from Amazon using Task AGI. Whether you're an e-commerce entrepreneur, market researcher, or just curious about product trends, this video is for you. We'll walk through the entire process, from understanding why you want to scrape Amazon to setting up your scraper and using it effectively. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about why you want to scrape Amazon in the first place. Amazon is a treasure trove of product data. We're talking about product details, pricing, customer reviews, seller information, and even sales rank. And this information is incredibly valuable for a whole range of purposes. You might use it for competitive analysis, to track pricing trends, to find popular products in certain categories, or to gather customer sentiment about specific items. If you're selling on Amazon, this data can help you optimize your listings and pricing strategy. For market researchers, it's a goldmine of consumer behavior information. Manually collecting all this data would be a nightmare, which is where web scraping comes in handy. It automates the whole process, giving you access to massive amounts of data quickly and efficiently. Now, scraping Amazon isn't a walk in the park. There are some serious challenges you'll face if you try to do it on your own. For starters, Amazon's website is highly dynamic. The content is loaded using complex JavaScript, which means simple HTML scraping won't cut it. Then there's Amazon's sophisticated anti-bot systems. They're constantly on the lookout for scrapers and will block suspicious activity in a heartbeat. Amazon also uses anti-bot measures and other verification methods to prevent automated access. On top of all that, the site's structure is pretty complex and changes frequently. What worked for scraping last month might not work today. This is where Task AGI comes in, handling all these technical headaches so you don't have to. It takes care of all those technical challenges we just talked about, letting you focus on the data you actually want to collect. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you don't need to be a coding wizard to use it. Task AGI is reliable, consistently delivering results even as Amazon updates its site. It's also scalable, capable of handling everything from small-scale scraping jobs to massive data collection projects. Plus, it's comprehensive, allowing you to collect a wide range of data points from Amazon listings. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of setting up Task AGI for Amazon scraping. First thing you need to do is head over to taskagi.net and create an account. Once you're logged in, look for the Amazon scraper in the toolkit. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Amazon scraper dashboard. Now you'll need to set up an API key. This is crucial because it's how you'll authenticate your request to the scraper. In your dashboard, you'll find an option to create a new API key. Click on it and follow the prompts. Here's a pro tip. Save this key somewhere safe and secure. You only get to see it once, so if you lose it, you'll have to create a new one. Now for the exciting part, actually using the scraper. I'll walk you through this using Postman, but feel free to use any API testing tool you're comfortable with. Open up Postman and create a new request. Set the request type to POST. For the URL, you'll use the Task AGI Amazon Scraper endpoint. Don't worry, I'll put the exact URL in the video description. In the header section, you need to add two things. Set content type to application JSON and authorization to bearer followed by your API key. In the body of the request, you'll specify what data you want to scrape. For example, you might include a specific product URL or maybe a search term if you want to scrape multiple products. Once you've got all that set up, hit send and watch. Task AGI do its thing. When you get your results back, you'll see a wealth of information. This can include the product title, description, price, customer ratings, review snippets, seller information, product features, and even things like the bestseller rank. If you're scraping search results, you might get data on multiple products, including their position in the search results. It's a gold mine of information that you can use for all sorts of analyses and decision making. If you're more comfortable with Rapid API, you'll be happy to know that Task AGI's Amazon Scraper is available there too. Just go to Rapid API and search for Amazon Scraper. You can subscribe to the free plan to get some test credits. In the API playground, you'll see all the available endpoints. Select the one you want to use, fill in the parameters, and hit Test Endpoint. It's that straightforward. Rapid API also provides code snippets in various programming languages, which can be super helpful if you're integrating the scraper into your own applications.